Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 9, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification. Now, as you can obviously see, the phone in front of me is locked, and I can unlock it either using the Google account, or also if I would back out and do it again, I can unlock it using a pattern. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, we can go back to the Wi-Fi section, where we get to connect to Wi-Fi right here. And what you want to do is basically forget the connected Wi-Fi. So forget network. Okay, and that will allow you to skip Wi-Fi connection. So from here, simply progress further, skip this, and go to next, and you want to get access to where we have to set up a protection, which is right over here. And what you want to do is set up a screen lock. Now, as you previously seen, I had a pattern as a way of unlocking the device because it had both protection, so a pattern and also a Google account. So just to keep it different, I'm gonna go with a PIN. So it gives you a message that you need to remember your password, like it actually matters here. So got it, and basically set up your password. So it's gonna be a 4 to 16 digit numeric password. So I'm just gonna make it 1, 2, 4. It doesn't really matter what it is exactly. 1 through 4 again. There we go, to repeat it, and it's saved. So once you set it up, simply go back to the page where we get to connect to Wi-Fi. There we go. And you want to reconnect to your network. So let me quickly put in the password. There we go. So as you can see, it's now connected. Let's go further. And again, let's progress through it. And you'll see now that the pattern got now substituted with a PIN. Go further, come on. And there we go. So now we can unlock it using a PIN instead of a pattern, which was basically overridden by us setting up a PIN. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, bam, it's unlocked. As you can see, now we can log into a Google account if you want to, or you can just skip it if you want to. It doesn't really matter what you do. Like I said, the device is now unlocked, so yeah. Now if you want to be extra safe, you could finish up the setup and basically go to your settings and perform a reset of the device through settings, which will furthermore ensure that the device is fully unlocked and has nothing remaining from the old device. Oops, let's skip this, but let me just quickly finish up the setup just so you can see. And there we go, once it actually loads. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.